Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my wonderful subscribers. And if you are new here, abunononos, welcome to you. Yep, we are back with another playlist chock full of plaid inspiration. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So for DIY number 1, I got this Easter wooden tray decor from my 89-cent store, and of course it's ugly, so I'm going to give it 2 coats of my Waverly Moss chalk paint. Yes, Waverly Moss. But before I did that, I started by peeling off the paper, but it had 2 layers, so I just decided to let it be. So here it is, all painted, and I also painted 4 small cubes to serve as legs. Then here I'm going to just lightly dry brush it with some watered down white chalk paint. And then I glued the legs on with some hot glue, and I should have used some wood glue as well, but I forgot. And I must say, when painting the cubes, make sure not to paint the section that is going to be glued down, because it won't hold. And I also got this beautiful contact paper from, you guessed it, the 89-cent store. And in fact, I bought 4 rolls of different designs and different colors. I'll use those in DIYs in the future. You can't beat good stuff cheap. It was difficult to use a ruler to measure the space, so I'm using a piece of twine and my measuring mat, and that worked out perfectly. And once I got the measurement down, I then cut it off, and look how beautiful this is. And these are my kind of colors too. So I peel off the back, stuck it in there, and then I use my Mod Podge brayer or roller . And then I glued on some twine around the sides, and that's just to cover up the raw edge from the contact paper. And this is my secret word. I decided to use some Mod Podge spray as sealant rather than the liquid Mod Podge. And then I just sprayed on enough until I was satisfied. So make sure to use my secret word in the comment down below in order to be eligible for the giveaway. And this is all done. Let me know what you think. Now about the Easter Spring Plaid giveaway collaboration. All of us here on this flyer have joined up once again with Annie from Indiana Jones to bring you this playlist filled with lots of DIY inspirations. And if you are interested in entering for a chance to win, please make sure to read the rules carefully, watch and like all the videos on the playlist, listen for the secret word that each creator will mention in their video, and then use that word in your comment on their video. Now back to crafting. Now for DIY number 2, this is another 89-cent store item, and this video may as well be 89 cents flips. Because I tell you, boy, can't beat the 89-cent store at all. This is a jewelry box, all pink, and I think it was for Valentine's, but anyways, I gotta do something about that. So I used a piece of tape to cover this little latch on the outside, and then I gave it 2 coats of Waverly paint in Plaster. And here it is. I painted the inside with some apple barrel cameo pink, and then just border the cover with some white paint. And now for the fun stuff. This is also from Plaid under their Folk Art brand. And these are paper stencils. After deciding which one I wanted to use, I popped the inside out, and I'm going to be using the outer part. So I placed small pieces of tape on the back, and that is just to keep it in place. Now for the flower, these are the paints that I used, and these are all Apple Barrel brand, also Plaid. So here I'm just mixing the paint for the flower. No particular color in mind, just having fun. And this color is actually the same color like the stencil. And as I painted, I dried with my heat gun. I cannot tell you guys how I love using this tool. It has helped to speed up my crafting time a whole lot. Now, if you are returning to my channel, welcome home. If you are new here or coming over from the playlist, welcome. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, thrift flips, and sometimes some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls. If you like budget-friendly DIYs like these and have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so that YouTube notifies you when I upload new videos. And also make sure to like and share this video and comment down below, because I love reading your comments, and that also helps the YouTube algorithm to suggest my videos to more viewers like yourself. And if you want to connect with me outside of YouTube, check my description box for my Linktree address. And there you will find all the links to where you can reach me. So here we have our jewelry box all painted. I then took this gold metallic marker from the Dollar Tree and outlined the flower, as well as the border of the box. And all little princesses love bows. Ain't that so? So I made a small bow from this ribbon from Dollar Tree. But before I glued it on, I remembered that I needed to spray it with the Mod Podge spray, and I did that. And guys, make sure if you are going to use any type of spray to do so outside or in a well-ventilated area. And then I glued the bow on, and all done. I love the transformation. Now this video is all about affordable decor. Now for DIY number 3, for this one, I'm using this wood square plaque I got from Plaid. Yes, from Plaid. You can watch my unboxing of that video here. I'll link that above. And I gave this 2 coats of the plaster. I got this bunny on a stick from Dollar Tree. I removed it from the stick because I won't be using that. And also this sheet of napkin. I separated the plies because I'm only needing the floral part. And then I cut it down into strips. because I'm going to use that to border the plaque. And then I used a detail brush and applied some of this antique Mod Podge. As always, I have no rhyme or reason as to which Mod Podge I'll use for what. I just use whatever my hands can catch hold of at the time. So I applied a thin coat, then placed the napkin over it and gently press it in. But then I realized that that Mod Podge was not working for me, so I changed it. And I did that until it was all covered. And then I placed another thin coat over on the outside, and that is just to seal it in. And for the bunny, I applied some of the pink cameo on the ears and the cheek. Made a little bow and glued that on. And I also added a piece of twine for hanging, and this too is done. Now this base piece can be changed out for any other decoration, for whether it be Easter, spring, whatever other decoration you can fit in this plaque. That's the purpose. I don't have small children at home and my granddaughter is in another state, but these would definitely look beautiful in a little girl's room. So there you have it, guys. I absolutely love these quick and easy plaid DIY inspirations today, and I hope you do too. Let me know which one was your favorite, and don't forget to mention my secret word in your comment down below if you would like to be entered in the drawing. And be sure to hop on to the next video in the playlist and have your notifications ready so you'll be notified of my next upload. Until then, be safe. Bye.